Ever wondered how to create eye-catching succulent arrangements for your home or events? Succulents, with their low maintenance and aesthetic appeal, offer versatility in decorating any setting. From quiet corners at home to vibrant event spaces, they never disappoint. Stick around to learn how to create your own stunning succulent arrangement. To start with, gather the necessary materials. The essentials for creating a succulent arrangement are a variety of succulents, a planter or pot, cacti soil mix, and some decorative elements like stones or pebbles. Once you have all these, you're ready to start arranging. Now let's dive into the fun part, creating your succulent arrangement. Start with your chosen pot and fill it about halfway with a good quality soil. This will be the foundation for your succulents. Ensure the soil is well draining to maintain the health of your plants. Next, let's move on to the stars of the show, your succulents. Start placing them in the pot, beginning with your largest ones. Arrange them in a way that pleases your eye. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about your personal style. Once you've arranged your succulents, fill in the gaps with smaller succulents or cacti. This will add depth and interest to your arrangement. Lastly, add a touch of your personality with decorative elements. It could be colorful pebbles, miniature figurines, or even fairy lights. And voila! You have created a beautiful succulent arrangement. As you can see, creating a succulent arrangement is not only easy, but also a fun way to express your creativity. We've gathered our materials, selected our succulents, and created a beautiful arrangement. And remember, the beauty of this process is in the variety. So feel free to experiment with different succulents and decorations. Make it unique, make it yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more plant-related content. Happy planting!